Hi, I'm Mark Palumbo with PanurgyOEM. Over the past 2 years, we have become the premier ProAudio service partner in the US, providing repair and refurbishment services to 6 of the world's top 10 audio brands. Many of our clients' customers rely on their audio gear for their studio or for scheduled events and shows. We understand that a fast turnaround and fix right the first time is essential to keeping your customers happy and to minimize negative social media chatter. We've also earned the trust of major ProAudio distributors who are often stuck with returned and undamaged goods that could be resold instead of collecting dust in a warehouse somewhere. We can help transform your product returns from a necessary annoyance into a key part of your business flow. Is your returns process running as efficiently as it could be? We're offering a free assessment of your reverse logistics process designed to help you highlight some areas that could stand improvement. No strings attached. Please give me a call today and let's chat.